We wanted to make sure Henry is given the best place in the world to live, and this place at Cochrane is that.
Now the mission can begin. The new route sees Henry flown from the Gold Coast down to Sydney, then to Hong Kong, Vancouver, and finally landing in Timmins, Canada. In order to undertake this mission, Henry must be flown in a specialised freighter plane equipped with temperature control. He cannot be transported in a regular passenger aircraft. But the mission has encountered another problem. There are no available cargo freighters flying from the Gold Coast.
Now we can't get a suitable freighter to come from here down to Sydney. It all failed.
With no transport to get from the Gold Coast to Sydney, Henry's relocation looks to be over before it can even begin.